phase 2 currently, and as you can see, I'm currently running 2% in profit, and just got that last remaining 1% to gain. Hey guys, how you all doing? Hope you're all well. Okay, before I just go into the break and retest, strategy, I'm just going to be breaking that down. I know a lot of you guys have been watching and enjoying those videos and learning a lot. Okay, just currently I started a small prop firm account challenge just for you guys. I've passed phase 1 in 2 trades, I believe in 2 days. So that's live on here as well. You can check that video out as well. So I'm on phase 2 currently, and as you can see, I'm currently running 2% in profit, and just got that last remaining 1% to gain. But okay, I'll break down for the reason for the trade, and let's get straight into it. Okay, before anyone starts saying, oh yeah, it's not a prop firm account, as you can see, I was running a little bit of a drawdown. I mean, I was still in profit, I was, I believe I was up about 4%, came down to about 1.7%, and now running in almost 4% profit again. But okay, let's just go down to the reason for the entry. Okay, so first of all, what can you see straight away? The market is bullish, right? After that, what do we look at? If I just draw these levels, look at this. Now you might be thinking, why am I drawing this level, key area here? Well, look, price came up, came back down. Now respected this area, then price, this is, I call this a breakout. Why? Well, resistance was created here as well, and support was created here, but price broke through resistance. Now I'm waiting for price to come back down. So what do? Go to a smaller time frame. Now if you've not already realized, look at this now. Again, breakout. Now remember, the market's bullish, so I'm only looking for buys. Price comes back down. I didn't take the buy here because I wanted some kind of a little bit more, what's the right word I'm looking for, better signal, more confidence. I wanted more confidence in the entry, so waited. I took this trade from here. Now obviously I've removed my stop loss, but I took 2 trades that are break even, so the trade is running safe. Even if the market was to turn around, I'm absolutely okay. But I do believe the market should keep going. If it doesn't, it's okay. I'll just it's only 3.3%. I need a 3.2%. You can do that, that's not a problem. So, but I mean, even if you look here, candles, look at the difference in candles. If I just show you on trading view, you can see that better. Okay, actually let me show you some let me just, if you look at the candles, rejections that create resistance, breakout, came back down. Now I don't really normally use the break and retest strategy, but why everyone likes it? Because it's effective. Then we got support here, rejection, I took the entry there. Now if I just show you guys on a bigger time frame, okay, why do I have confidence? Even if I look back at the 4-hour time frame, there's rejection here, and rejection here, right? Rejection here, but why do I think the candle, price can still keep going? Look at momentum, guys. When price was coming up here, it went up, came down a little, went up, came down a little, went up, came down a little. Here it was much better, went up, but still small candlesticks, not good enough volume, if you want to call it momentum. Then boom, here look at this huge bullish candle, so it's a good signal. Okay, it's huge bullish candle here. Now price, another huge bull, and remember, this is the 4-hour time frame. It's a strong time frame, and candlesticks. Now once you get time frames on this time frame, candlesticks on this time frame, listen to the candlesticks, guys, what they tell you. Look, no rejection at the top wick, right? No wick there, rejection. So yeah, we know where price wants to go. Even look at this candlestick forming here. Look at this, guys. That's it's an engulfing, and then you got this wick at the bottom, rejection. Now why should I end the trade here? I have no reason to, right? I mean, it might even turn around. That's just a game of probabilities. I'm not saying oil 1,000,000% just keep heading in that direction, but I've got the trend in my favor. I've got the candlesticks in my favor. I'm only looking for buys. Why? again because of the trend. Now you got these rejection wicks here. Now what this? Now I'll tell you something here. Okay, call this a trend line or whatever you want to call it. Well, then you can look at this as a breakout. You got your breakout. If I zoom out, see, I'm not a breakout trader, but because I've learned every strategy out there, I think the only one I'm not too familiar with, like ICT and smart money. It does not matter what strategy you have. There's no best strategy out there. As long as you're making money, that's all that matters. Remember, even if if someone comes to me and says you got the best strategy, it doesn't matter if you make, if someone's profitable while he's just closing his eyes and he's placing buys and sells and he's still making money, it doesn't matter. As long as you're making money, that's the whole point. It doesn't matter what strategy is the best strategy out there. If it works for you, it works for you. Simple. Okay, now I'll give you another example. Now I know if market does come back, retraces, right? Look, rejection wicks here, breakout. Even if this is on a 1 hour time frame, the price comes back down, I'm expecting mostly it'll come down to the 755 area, you call it 750 area, and then once it comes down, if it was to come down, you might just do this. High probability of doing that, right? I'm not a breakout trader, but just give me an example. When you spend enough time on the charts, guys, trust me, everything will play in your favor. So okay, we've got rejection wick here, but then you got the bullish candle here taking over. Now this might also be a rejection wick, but we'll just have to see now. Time will tell. But so far, let's see what we're running at. Still at 2% profit. I'm looking for 1 more percent. Well, around another 117. It'll be nice to while I'm showing this break and retest video, catching this trade, but the video's gonna be I'm gonna keep it short, around 8 minutes. Don't want to make it too long. But yeah, I hope this is helpful. Let's go do another example, guys. I mean, it works on any I've just been studying GJ for the last 8 months and it's served me really well. Just because it works for me, doesn't mean it'll work for you guys. I can't trade gold. I've tried. Gold doesn't work well for me. I've been looking at it, but look at this, guys. Okay, we're going higher. If I go in a smaller time frame, see, smaller candlesticks, volumes reducing in the buys, but see how it goes. Let's go big, a little bit of a bigger time frame. Okay, this candle here, if you look, it broke the high of the previous candles, so this is good chance it could keep going up, but you never know. We'll have to wait and see. So one quick last example. It's already been around 8 minutes. Okay, so breakout, right? You draw your key levels. If I even just look at this one here, guys, this was originally what I was looking at. Right, look at this. Rejection, price comes down, comes back up, comes down, comes back up, breaks through. Remember, we always wait for the candle to close. Breaks through, you wait for price to come back. Now if you look at entries, if you look at this candlestick here, strong bullish, no wick, rejection at the top, you wait for price to come back down. Now if I just move this out of the way and you wait for the retest, this trade alone gives you, if you would have held on to it, 9% profit on a $100,000 platform account. That's 9,000. So hope this video was helpful. Subscribe if you haven't. I'm out.